Okay, let's go.
The story of Wolffia, a superfood born from natural ponds long before Wolffia became known to scientists, nutritionists, or future food innovators. It quietly thrived on the surface of natural ponds, rice fields, and slow-moving waters across Southeast Asia. In rural communities of Thailand, Laos, Cambodia, and parts of Vietnam, Wolffia, locally known as Khai Nam, was never considered exotic. It was simply part of life. A gift from the water. Wolffia is the world's smallest flowering plant. It has no roots, no stems, and no leaves, only tiny, floating green grains that multiply naturally under sunlight and clean water. For generations, villagers observed that Wolffia appeared abundantly after the rainy season, when ponds were rich in nutrients and free from pollution. Without fertilizers, pesticides, or human intervention, Wolffia grew by itself, pure, fast, and resilient. Local people learned to harvest it gently using fine nets, respecting the natural cycle of the pond so it would return again and again. Why local communities ate Wolffia? People didn't consume Wolffia because it was labeled a superfood. They ate it because their bodies told them it was good. In traditional diets, Wolffia was valued for several reasons. Seedling high protein for a plant food, especially important in communities with limited access to meat. Leafy green rich in micronutrients such as iron, zinc, folate, and magnesium. Rice plants soft, tender texture, easy to digest for children and the elderly. Stew neutral, pleasant taste, blending easily into soups, omelets, curries, and salads. Elders often described Wolffia as food that makes the body strong but light. It was believed to support energy, recovery after illness, and overall balance. A vegetable of resilience during times of drought, flooding, or economic hardship, Wolffia became an emergency food source. It could grow in days, required no land, and regenerated naturally. This made Wolffia not only a vegetable, but a symbol of resilience and food security. In many villages, it was common knowledge: if there is clean water and sunlight, there will be food. From ancestral knowledge to future food today, modern science confirms what local communities always knew: Wolffia contains complete amino acids, bioavailable minerals, antioxidants, and a remarkably low environmental footprint. What once floated quietly on village ponds is now being rediscovered as a climate-resilient protein, a nutrient-dense vegetable, a future food rooted in ancestral wisdom. Wolffia's story is not about invention, it is about remembering. Remembering that nature already provided a solution, small, humble, and powerful, waiting patiently on the surface of still water.